The person was rescued.
Yes.
But what about the people around, the residents around here?
Well, you see, the complication that is really associated with this type of incidents is that that we are able to curtail is fire. You can see that the operation was swift, prompt, effective and efficient, and that is why we did not experience the second complication, which is supposed to be the fire. When the incident occurred, we moved in all the stakeholders. We are able to pump in a lot of chemicals in so that there was no secondary complications, and we rescue people alive.
Give me a bit of a scoop.
The black box have been recovered. After the recovery, it will be downloaded, and all the downloading process will take time. So it is only then we can know the cause. But so far, 2 people are confirmed dead and 1 rescued alive.
Okay, the 2 people were they from the helicopter?
Yes, including the pilot.
Including the pilot.
Yes.
And but no resident was affected.
Nobody on ground was affected.
Well, this thing happened unaware, miraculously. I was in the house reading the Bible for today. I have not finished even yet before I heard the blast. The blast went round, thunder and lightning, smoke everywhere. It's so dark that I don't even know what is happening. But with God's protection, I was able to control myself. Immediately this one came, the whole place went dark. And when there is darkness, light has to come. The light was on. The electric light was on. Coming out, we saw the helicopter that was supposed to land on a field, landing in our compound, in my compound and my daughter-in-law's compound. The tail is in my side. The head is in my daughter-in-law's house. So that's what has happened. Oh.
So the residents of this area, they are okay. Physically, socially, psychologically, they are stable. Okay. And all this being done under the watch of Mr. Governor.
So the question now is, would the Lagos State Government, LASEMA, be thinking about post-traumatic assessment?
We will do the post-traumatic disorders assessment. We will do the integrity test for all the structures that are here, and we will assure the people of Lagos State that they have effective and efficient emergency agency on the ground. You can see that we are able to work with all the key stakeholders. We are able to work with the federal agencies, and you can see that we are on top of this emergency.
That's left to the hospital. You know, when you have aviation issue like this, it's 50-50. And the rescue time for aviation victims is just within 10-15 minutes. But we were able to get to that level. So stability, sustenance between this place to the ports to the hospital is what is left.
This crash occurred in a this actually crashed into a residential building. Have you been able to identify, because I see an old woman there said to be the owner of the property? Is that correct?
Well, that is it. Trauma management is not only for the resident here. The relations of the deceased will be psychosocial trauma management will be done to them, and every other person is affected. But what really happened here, the woman, the aged woman, I interviewed her and she gave information. She was there, she saw smoke, she saw lightning, all sorts of things. You know, being an old woman, she was reading her Bible, and after that, nothing, because no more people were inside the premises. She said this belongs to her in-law. Okay. This is her own house. Okay. So fortunately, nothing happened. Nobody was affected on the ground.
Then where I went, they were calling me, come, helicopters entered my house. I said, is my house the wrong way? How can helicopter enter? Where did the helicopter pass to enter the house? Then some roofs were broken, walls were broken, but I will still continue to say hallelujah, hallelujah. I will continue to sing hallelujah forth in duteous praise. I'm a widow.